Hello, guys. Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to Mr. Scullin's Music Room. Another singing assembly. Couple of warm-ups, couple of songs. Going to keep them a little bit shorter and release them a bit more regularly now. I've received some requests, some of which I will do today. A couple I might have to work on a little bit. Practice singing some high notes. Goodness me. But quite fun news this week. The person whose music I perform a lot, which is Casper Babypants. Check him out if you haven't already. For those grown-ups who were listening to music in the 90s, he was the front man of a band called the Presidents of the United States of America. He's not the actual president, kids, don't worry. That's a very different, I don't think his music would be that good. But this guy, Chris Ballou, he was in a band in the 90s, and one of their famous songs was Peaches. They're fantastic, really funny. So anyway, he put a little thing out online the other day, and I just sent him a message saying, do you mind if I use your music on my assemblies, because you've got to ask permission? And he replied and said, yeah, do it, which was really exciting. So I'm going to put more of his songs in there, but please do check him out. I'll put a link to his website because there's so many different songs. He is amazing, and like many other musicians, he's not able to perform at the moment, so check out what he does and show him some support. Anyway, that's enough waffle. We're going to do a little warm-up. Now, this one we're going to count to 8 today. We're going to go all the way up in a C major scale. We did a bit of counting last time, so we're going to start by singing 1. Can you sing it for me? 1. And then we go 1, 2, 1. Do it for me. 1, 2, 1. Then up to 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Do it for me. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Then up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up to 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That'll work to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we've gone up a whole octave there from C to C. An octave is how many notes? Oct. I think things with oct in the word and the title. Yeah, well done. 8 notes. Good. So from C all the way to C, that's 8 notes. So we're going to very quickly stop the train. So some of you may know this. If you don't, copy these actions. You're going to go to stop the train. Very obvious moves. In cases of emergency, so look like you're having, what, an emergency. Pull on the chain. Pull on the chain. Penalty for improper use, £5. Okay, so it's a very old sign you might have found on trains. So remember those moves. Stop train, emergency, pull on the chain, penalty, £5. Ready? If you're in other countries, maybe you can use your national currency. There we go, there's the word. So it goes, ready? To stop the train in cases of emergency, pull on the chain, pull on the chain, penalty for improper use, £5. Very good. Now we're going to go slightly higher. Ready? To stop the train in cases of emergency, pull on the chain, pull on the chain, penalty for improper use, £5. And we're going to go slightly higher. Now remember, I'm going to change the way we do this after this one. So here we go. Ready? To stop the train in cases of emergency, pull on the chain, pull on the chain, penalty penalty for improper use, £5. Good. Now we're going to do this like we're going to the dentist, so we can't close our mouths. So sing it, but with your mouths open. Sounds weird, I know, but it's a good exercise. Here we go. And please don't sing when you're at the dentist. But you know. So this is like you've got a mouthful of water. Ready? Very good. And we're going to go slowly. To stop the train in cases of emergency, pull on the chain, pull on the chain. Penalty for improper use, £5. Good. And then we're going to go super fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3. To stop the train in cases of emergency, pull on the chain, pull on the chain. Penalty for improper use, £5. Didn't play that very well, but you get the idea. Right, hopefully you're now a bit warmer and had a little bit of movement as well. It's always important to move your bodies as well as warming up your vocal cords in that area. So, the Casper Baby Pants song that I'm going to do today had a couple of requests. Is More Moles, so it's a call and response song. So what that means is that I sing one bit and then you guys sing the second bit, so you echo what I do. The only bit that doesn't quite work like this is the chorus. So the chorus, hopefully some of the children will be able to tell the grown-ups. Go, so I sing more moles and you'll sing more moles, more moles, more moles. Then I will go more moles digging holes, more moles, and you'll all go more moles. All right, so that's the song. So just copy what I sing. More moles, more moles, more moles, more moles digging holes, more moles, more moles. Thought I had a couple of moles, thought I had a couple of moles in my garden digging holes, in my garden digging holes. One day when I went outside, one day when I went outside, I could not believe my eyes, I could not believe my 100 piles of dirty dirt, 100 piles of dirty dirt. I was now on high alert, I was now on high alert. Under me 100 crawl, under me 100 crawl. I would have to catch them all, I would have to catch them all. More moles, more moles, more moles digging holes, more moles. Set about 100 traps, tasty treats, springy flaps, tasty treats, springy flaps. Set them out in the early light, set them out in the early light. Waited all day, waited all night, waited all day, waited all night. Snap, 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 the traps did close. Snap, 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 the traps. 100 snaps, 100 moles. They looked sad, they looked blue. What in the world should I do? More moles, more moles, more moles digging holes, more moles. Loaded up a flatbed truck, loaded up a flatbed truck. Told the moles they were in luck, told the moles they were in luck. Took them to a shady spot, took them to a shady spot. Out in the country, warm and hot. Set them free to dig away, set them free, free to dig, free to play. They have no phone, so I can't call. Sometimes I go visit them all. More moles, more moles, more moles digging holes, more moles, more moles. Yeah, give yourselves a little clap there. I love that song. I really, really do. It's such a cool, groovy tune and an excellent way to learn a song. You copy what I do. Okay, so our second song is going to be a nice, upbeat, sunny song, which is was made famous by a reggae musician. Now, reggae is a form of music that comes from the Caribbean, and it's all sunny and this song was made famous by Bob Marley. It's called Three Little Birds, and it's a very important message, I think, right now, where it's just a case, and in life generally, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is going to be all right. Whatever troubles you may have, don't worry, it's all going to be just fine, okay? So sing along with me. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. Three little birds pitched at my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. Three little birds pitched at my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Now go a cappella without the guitar. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. True story. Okay, well done guys, hope you enjoyed that. I know it's going to be, they're short and sweet this time, so I'm going to get them out more regularly. Don't worry, Frozen and Panic at the Disco are on the way. And there's been a couple more requests which I will try and honour, but I'm also going to stick some other ones that you may not be expecting. I hope you're all well, I hope you're keeping safe. Yeah, have a good one guys, enjoy the weather and the lovely sunshine that I can see out my window. Until next time, toodle pip.